Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your LinkedIn community engagement with events step by step clearly. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to the home page where you can find the menu bar at the top. Click on the work icon located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Events. On the Events page, click the Create Event button. Fill in the details of your event, starting with the event name. Choose whether your event is online or in person. Specify the date and time for your event. Add a detailed description to inform potential attendees about the event's purpose. Select the appropriate audience visibility options. Choose event cover image that represents your event well. After filling in all required information, click Next. Review your event details to ensure everything looks correct. Click Create to officially set up your event. Once your event is created, share it with your existing connections. Promote your event by inviting individuals who might be interested. Regularly engage with attendees by posting updates in the event discussion. Answer any questions participants may have to foster community interaction. Monitor responses and adjust your promotional strategy if necessary. After the event, share highlights and follow-up updates to maintain engagement. Encourage attendees to share their experiences and feedback on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.